Hello, I'm Pam Dillon. I am co-founding partner and CEO of Preferabli. Preferabli is a B2B2C software platform for the wine, beer, and spirits industry. We have built software that behaves like a human expert that helps wine retailers, direct-to-consumer platforms, power their marketing and sales efforts to human preference. We have built a platform that behaves like a human expert. We have 10 patents, many other pending for our algorithms. Our algorithms are powered by our own bespoke data. Our data has been built up over many years through work with our experts, the largest group of masters of wine and master sommeliers working together in the world. We taste for the presence and the absence of anywhere between 500 and 700 characteristics, and these characteristics are analyzed in combination with each other and give rise to the personalization and recommendation modalities that we provide to our clients. So as software engineers, we are often asked, what is the dialogue, what is the relationship between human beings and computers, between human thought and software? How do they work together, and how do they build each other up? How can they build each other up? There's always the question, even the concern, will the relationship go away? Will the series of relationships across the entire supply chain go away because now we have smart software? No, quite the contrary. What happens is if you get computers and software to do things that human beings don't really like to do, and software can do them better, faster, stronger, then that leaves all the creative bits, all of the creation, the dialogue with the consumer to be had with a human being. And that is so much more colorful, so much more beautiful, so much more alive, and something that I don't think in my lifetime software is going to be able to do.